right, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Turtle Show. I'm the turtle in the Turtle Club. Turtle. Shut up, leave me alone.
Nice ass.
Your mom.
Alright, let me throw this shit out. It's only school notes, you know.
Only it's banana. Look, I am medicated. I am very sick, so I have to take my medications. My name is Jeremy Cruz. Damn, I noticed.
Jeremy Anthony Cruz.
Well,
thank you for remembering my name. New Mexico and Arizona. In 1609, some 1,500 miles west of St. Augustine, Pedro de Peralta anyways, this haciendas and ranchos. Oh my god, you can do chicken! It's frozen if you'd rather cook it. Or you can do like the girls from the video I sent you. You can burn it and then scream like a little bitch. I know how to sound like a little bitch. I always sound like a little bitch. Right now I sound like a little bitch.
evil bastard.
Look. What is Captain Poncho gonna do now?
Captain Poncho.
Dude.
He's traveling around the world! He's in the Soviet Union! Now he's in India! Now he's in Australia! Now he's in New Zealand!
Now he's gonna be in Africa!
Africa! Oh, you poor bastard.
He's gonna do the African ring.
I'm not an idiot!
He's gonna do the African ring dance.
Africans don't talk like that.
The African rain dance.
Whatever.
And now where does he go? Can we send him to Antarctica to visit his family?
Send him to Brazil. That's how Brazilians act. No.
He's so happy to be there.
Send him to Mexico.
If only we had.
Send him to Mexico.
Mexico.
Mexico. Now send him to Greenland. He's shivering now. He's dead.
Tell him to pick his favorite